Here are the top 10 tallest statues in the world, towering monuments that embody history, culture and artistry and leave a lasting impression on all who visit. 1. Statue of Unity, India. The Statue of Unity, located in Gujarat, India, stands at an astonishing 597 feet, making it the tallest statue in the world. It depicts Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a key figure in India's independence movement and the country's first deputy prime minister. Inaugurated in 2018, the statue overlooks the Narmada River and is surrounded by the Shulpanaswar Wildlife Sanctuary. Visitors can explore an observation deck at 400 feet, offering stunning views of the surrounding landscapes, including the Sardar Sarovar Dam. Number 2. Spring Temple, Buddha, China. The Spring Temple Buddha, located in Henan Province, China, stands 502 feet tall, including its lotus-shaped pedestal. Completed in 2008, it represents Vairocana Buddha, a central figure in Mahayana Buddhism. The statue is situated near the Fodoshan Scenic Area and the Tianri Hot Spring, from which it derives its name. The base is designed as a Buddhist monastery, attracting pilgrims and tourists alike. Its serene craftsmanship and golden sheen are awe-inspiring, reflecting the artistry of Chinese craftsmanship. Number 3. Laikyun Sekar, Myanmar. The Laikyun Sekar statue in Katakan Tong, Myanmar, reaches a height of 424 feet. It features Gautama Buddha in a standing position, with a reclining Buddha statue nearby. Completed in 2008, the Laikyun Sekar is surrounded by lush greenery and offers visitors a peaceful retreat. Inside the statue are multiple floors with intricate murals depicting scenes from Buddhist scriptures, providing a spiritual and educational experience for devotees and tourists. 4. Usiku Daibutsu, Japan. Located in Usiku, Ibaraki Prefecture, Japan, the Usiku Daibutsu stands 394 feet tall, including its base. Completed in 1993, it represents Amitabha Buddha, known for infinite light and life. Visitors can enter the statue to explore a museum and observation deck, which provides panoramic views of the Japanese countryside. The surrounding gardens, featuring seasonal flowers and a pond with koi fish, add to the serene atmosphere, making it a popular destination for meditation and reflection. 5. Sendai Daikon, Japan. The Sendai Daikon in Sendai, Japan, measures 330 feet and depicts Kannon, the Buddhist goddess of mercy. Opened in 1991, it is one of the tallest goddess statues in the world. Visitors can ascend the statue via an elevator to explore 12 levels, each showcasing Buddhist artifacts and spiritual teachings. The surrounding area, including a nearby park and temple, enhances the sense of tranquility. Its imposing figures can be seen for many parts of Sendai, symbolizing protection and compassion. 6. Guanyin of the South Sea, China. The Guanyin of the South Sea, located in Sanya, Hainan Province, China, is a 354-foot statue of the Buddhist goddess of mercy. Completed in 2005, it stands on a small artificial island with 3 faces representing peace, wisdom and compassion. The statue is part of the Nanshan Temple complex, a major site for Buddhist worship, surrounded by lush gardens and the South China Sea. The Guanyin of the South Sea is a symbol of harmony and goodwill. 7. Great Buddha of Thailand, Thailand. Also known as the Big Buddha, the Great Buddha of Thailand stands 302 feet tall and is located in Ang Thong Province. Completed in 2008, it represents Fray Buddha Mahanawamin and was constructed with concrete and painted gold. The statue is part of the Wat Muang Temple complex, attracting both religious pilgrims and tourists. Visitors are often amazed by its sheer size and the tranquil atmosphere of the temple grounds, surrounded by rice paddies and rural landscapes. Number 8. The Motherland Calls, Russia. Located in Volgograd, Russia, the Motherland Calls is a towering statue commemorating the Battle of Stalingrad during World War II. Standing at 279 feet, it depicts a woman holding a sword aloft, symbolizing the call to arms. Completed in 1967, it was once the tallest statue in the world and remains a significant symbol of Russian resilience. The statue is part of the Mamiev-Kurgan Memorial Complex, drawing visitors to honor the soldiers who defended their homeland. 9. The Mother of the Fatherland, Ukraine. The Mother of the Fatherland, located in Kyiv, Ukraine, is a 203-foot statue that celebrates the strength and unity of the Soviet people during World War II. Completed in 1981, it forms part of the National Museum of the History of Ukraine in the Second World War. The statue holds a sword and shield emblazoned with the Soviet emblem. Visitors can climb to observation decks for panoramic views of Kyiv, making it a cultural and historical landmark. Subscribe, like the video, and let's get to the final one. Number 10. Statue of Liberty, United States. The Statue of Liberty in New York City is a symbol of freedom and democracy. Standing at 151 feet from base to torch, its total height, including the pedestal, reaches 305 feet. Designed by Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi and gifted by France in 1886, it represents Libertas, the Roman goddess of liberty. Visitors can explore the museum inside the pedestal and climb to the crown for breathtaking views of New York Harbor. The statue remains one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. Comment which tallest statues you like the most and unleash your wanderlust by watching our latest video. Have a good one!